Good morning, good afternoon, good evening or whatever your time. Welcome to Parcle Dev. In today's video we make some custom tabs, and I show you the source of a quick plugin what insert spawn, truss and seats. On the custom tabs you can add your own dropdowns, plugins and Roblox tools. So I have made a dropdown for auto scale light. However I use my own plugin what apply scale when you insert UI directly. If we now use the device emulator you see it's in scale. Well we start with making our own custom tabs, after the intro and after you have subscribed. Okay, we get the dev forum announcement. I will place a link in the pin command but open this location in your files to get the correct place. Here we have some examples of Json. Json means JavaScript object notation. We open a new template. Firstly we need to print actions, and copy it from the output. Now we close my current school work and open the Roblox folder in VS Code. Fill in the location provided in the announcement. We need the ribbon config in the recent version folder. We add a new file. We also make a file where we can paste the print actions we need for the plugins. Firstly we need this. This is the base of the JSON. All tabs come in the controls array. An array can you make with 2 brackets. Now we can from the ribbon tabs JSONs copy and paste the buttons. We save the file and test it. Then in Studio we use the reload tabs buttons, and a tab with the name blank tab appear. Now rename the tab by changing the string by the name key. Now copy a dropdown I made already for myself on my main account. For a dropdown you need a main button and children. Within that array add some keys to tell make a dropdown in columns. Then add a new children object. Within that we make the buttons using type option. Also you can use buttons with only text. Now test it. If you see we have a dropdown now with UI containers and text but it not on the right place, but that's a bug. It should be ordered based on the JSON. We create a dropdown for UI plugins on the same way. Important, give everything and unique ID. Now we need the printed actions to find the plugins. Just search up what the tooltip says. If you see here a URL, copy what's inside. I don't know how the IDs work, but local means it's a local plugin. So what you have in your plugin folder not published on Roblox. Let's save and test. So if you see, there's a dropdown with UI plugins now, and the tab name is changed. Now let's make a separate. They can be large or small, just copy it from the ribbon tabs folder. Save and reload. And we have a separator. You can add different tools, they need a ID, but I don't know all IDs, but I guess you can ask in the announcement. We also make a button for the device emulator. As follows, I show you how to make a split button. That's also a dropdown, but you can't really customize the default split buttons, only you can change the default action. Also let me know in the comments if you already made some tabs. They even left this hint. Some common plugin IDs are for things like the draggers they call builder tools. Let's we rename it again cause now it doesn't anymore really do something with UI. Also in the announcement they have a table here what explains more. You also can set text only and icon only to create buttons with only text or only icon. Save and test, and as you see only an icon. I don't know why the text only doesn't work. But it's also a pre-alpha version from custom tabs. There comes a UI for it in the future. But maybe someone making a plugin for it. If so, I will place a link in the pinned comment. Maybe you are making a plugin for it right now. If you think see screenshot button doesn't work, let's delete it so it not errors. As follows, I made a plugin what inserts truss parts spawns and seats. Let's add it into a dropdown with normal parts. It's a bit weird place to insert cause you can't really insert it like parts are. Alright, here's the source from the plugin. Change the parent to the selected object variable, then it will be inserted into what you selected in the workspace. Okay, that don't work cause I didn't save the changes, but I'm sure it works. If I said in the intro with my plugin it inserts UI with scale, let me show the difference. You also can change the properties you like to have when inserting. Okay, let me publish the previous video. I hope you can make your own custom tabs now. If you have trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Join our Discord for help or comment and I will help you. In our Discord you can also interact with the community and find a job, and whatever you want you can suggest things. Well, like and share this video. And subscribe to don't miss anything. And I see you guys next time.